This floating city is a masterpiece built entirely on water and inspired by the architecture of Venice.
Ho!
But it has one serious problem: wastewater. For years, household waste was dumped straight into the sea.
You disgusting!
Huh?
Over time, the blue ocean was transformed into a murky, foul-smelling nightmare.
Ew!
Ugh! That's disgusting!
Ah! This is terrible!
And this pollution problem pushed the mayor to act.
Aha! I'll hide all this dirty wastewater underground!
A massive underground pipeline network was built to connect the entire city. Each house's sewer line is also connected to the city's main wastewater network.
Whoa!
At first, everything flowed smoothly, but at sharp bends, the flow lost pressure, causing waste to get stuck.
Oh no! The pipes are clogged again!
Soon, the crisis spread across the city.
This isn't working at all!
I'll report this to the authorities. We need solution.
Everyone, calm down! I've got this!
To solve this problem, a high-pressure pump was installed on top of City Hall. It provided a massive boost of pressure. Waste now flows smoothly through every pipe and reached the treatment facility without interruption. The city's lifeline was finally restored.
Wow! This technology is amazing!
No more polluted water.
Oh no, we will be late for delivery. I'm going to repair the bridge.
The new bridge has been built.
Thank you, Mr. Hand.
Huh?
What's happened?
Happy birthday, Mr. Hand.
The race is on with 3 boats. The yellow boat is in the lead. The red boat has sunk. Yellow boat and brown boat pass the water pump. Brown boat reached the finish line. Paper boat has sunk.
Get out of my way!
Paper boat failed. Lego boat and wood boat are in a whirlpool. They are stuck at the water pump. Water pump.
We're not gonna make it!
Both are struggling to move. Wood boat has taken the lead.
My boat is losing control.
Lego boat just hit the island. The water waves are so strong.
Oh no!
Wood boat has escaped.
I won! The prize is mine!
Here are all your rewards.
I'm rich!
Huh?
What happened?
Hey, baby!
Oh no! What about me?